Hi, today we are going to see how to check who viewed your TikTok profile. So, first go to TikTok.
This thing on the train tracks.
Here, come to profile. After that, you can see a eye icon in the upper right. Click on this. Here, if your profile views icon is turned on, then you can see who have viewed your TikTok profile in last 30 days. Otherwise, turn it on. Here you can also turn off by clicking here. Then it will be turned off. So that's how to check who viewed your TikTok profile. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.